Number 4, you're going to use the vertex and the coefficient to match the equation with the graph. All right, so let's get the vertex here. Okay, please watch the previous video, question 3, if you need help with the vertex. Okay, so let's get the vertex here. So we can say that the h is going to be equal to 1, k is equal to -2. So we can say that the vertex is the value of 1 comma -2. Okay, and the a, which is 2, so it's going to open up. So we want to look for that point. 1 comma -2, 1 comma -2. Oh, this is 1 comma -2, and this also opens up. Oh, so there we go. We would say that this matches up right here. Okay. So I'm going to copy that, paste it over, and that would be this one. Okay. Right. So let's do the next one. Okay. Let's get the vertex first. H is equal to -1. K is equal to -2. So we can say that the vertex is the following: -1 comma -2. A here, which is going to be 1/2, which means it's positive, so it's going to open up. So we want to look for that vertex of -1 comma -2 that opens up. -1 comma -2, -1 comma -2, nope. Let's see, -1 comma -2 that opens up. Yes, it is this one. So we can grab it and we can bring it over here. Would be this one. I don't think I have room. You know what? I'm just going to write it. I think that would be better. So this one is hk 1/2 x plus 1 squared minus 2. Okay, so that's b. All right, so I'm just going to mark those off because I already got those. Okay, and then let's do the next one. H is equal to 1, k is equal to +2. The vertex is the point 1 comma 2, and the a here, which is negative, so it's going to open down. So we want to look for that point 1 comma 2 that's opening down. Oh, 1 comma 2 that's opening down. It would be this one. This would be the f of x is equal to -2 x minus 1 squared plus 2. Then let's take a look here. Let's find the vertex. H is equal to -1. K is equal to 2. So we can say that the vertex is the point -1 comma 2. The a value here is positive, so it's going to open up with the value of 2. Okay, so let's look at that. Let's locate that vertex first. -1 comma 2 opening up. Oh, which is this one. Okay, that is great. So it would be, what is that? P of x, right? P of x is equal to 2 parentheses x plus 1 squared plus 2. All right, so that would be this one. Okay. Let's do E here. Let's start by getting down the vertex. So h is equal to -1. K is going to be equal to -2. The a here, which is -2, so it's going to open down. So let's look for that vertex, -1, comma -2, which is this one, opening down right here. So this is going to be your q of x equals to -2 x plus 1 squared minus 2. Last one, h is equal to 1, k is equal to 2. The vertex here is going to be the point 1 comma 2, right, where a is equal to 2, so it's going to open up. Right, so here it would be this one, right? It would be this one right here. So this would be t of x is equal to 2 parentheses x minus 1 squared plus 2. All right, so there you go. That is how you match up all the equations. Getting the vertex first, then seeing if it opens up or down based on the a value.